friends, welcome to my channel Southern Yankee. My name is Terry. Our channel is all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you love those things, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's start the video. All right, we're doing our Stitch Fix box today. I just got finished. In fact, I'm still wearing the earrings. Filming my recent Natalie Attired, which was a hit out of the park. If you did not see that video, definitely go and check it out. This box, I did take a sneak peek. I'm not sure I'm gonna like what's in it actually. I've been dealing with a new stylist, so let's see who I have for a stylist and what fix we're on. So let's see. And I think I did ask for like fall transition pieces. Really? So I have a new stylist again. I thought I asked for the same stylist again, but maybe not. Happy Fix Day. So happy to have you and be styling your latest delivery of fashion finds. I hope this selection of options helps get you feeling ready and excited for fall. This time around, okay, and then she goes on with what she put in here. And there's a couple things I think I'm gonna like. I don't know if I'm gonna like much of it. Let's see what fix we're on. They do give you a label, priority mailer to mail everything back that you don't want to keep. And I am still on a little bit of a tight budget, so I'm not spending too much. This one, it looks like I have no, I don't have any credit. So it's $230 for all 5 pieces. The buy 5 discount is 25% off, takes off $57.50, bringing the total to $172.50. I usually like my fixes to be all in after discount around $150, so it's a little bit higher. This is fix number 58 for me, and I think that's actually wrong. I think it's more than that. It's okay. All right, let's get in here. So here is a little bit of a sneak peek. They changed the paper. They now have this like brown craft paper, which is what I think they were using for the men's fix. We used to have white, and it's all now the same. So there might be, looking at this looks a little different than the pictures. That's why you got to see it and try it on. So this first item is by West Key in a size medium. It is a nice blouse. It's navy and cream, and it does have tab sleeves. It's cross front, comes down and kind of looks like a tuck in under. These are hit and miss for me. This one is permanently stitched here at the bust, which is nice. Material feels nice. But again, these are hit and miss with me. Sometimes they kind of open up. Okay, let's try that again. So I was showing you this top. So that was our first one from West Key. I got interrupted by a phone call. This next one is a Lush piece, and it is a olive leopard print. This piece I wasn't sure about. This is a blouse. It does have a V-neck, and it says that it is the Lush Warren split neck blouse in light green medium. So it does look like it's got an extra button too. So we'll see what this looks like on. But it is a light green. It looks like it's a high-low. What does the arms look like? These are not my favorite. So these are tab sleeves, but they're the tab sleeves that just sort of hang. They don't really fold up. They just sort of hang down. And the back does have a like pleat. Might be nice with a pair of black slacks. I don't know. It looks long enough to even wear with like leggings. But it is a blouse type, and I'm not sure I like that. So next thing I do like, this is by Absolutely, and if I remember correctly, this is an affordable brand. It's the Marco crew neck pullover in dark purple, also in a medium. This is the kind of like what I have on here. Wow, what happened to my color? I just totally zoomed out on the color. That was weird. Okay, but here it is. It is a lightweight purple, just crew neck sweater, just a simple crew neck, almost like a purple plum burgundy color. And I think I have had some things before from this brand, and I do believe that I liked it. Next thing, what is this? Skirt maybe? This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. It is by Skies Are Blue, size medium. This is the Bernice scallop hem skirt in black. So it's got right away we see stretch here, but flat front. It's got little pockets with the scallop detail. It almost feels like, it kind of looks like a sweatshirt material, but it's not. It is more like a trouser material. And the bottom of the skirt is also scallop. That might be really pretty with that green top. So I can tuck the green top into this. I can actually try probably all 3 of those tops with this. And then our final piece is from Tribal, I believe, and I've gotten a couple pairs of slacks, and I believe they're also affordable. This one is made in Canada. Size 8. This is the Tribal Fia curved hem pant. says blue because it's a check, which check is really in for the season. However, I don't know if you guys can see it real well, but it's got a baby blue stripe going through this check. Very pretty, comes down. Oh look, it's got a nice tapered leg with a little bit of a just like that's really pretty the way that is. I think that's going to frame the ankles nice. And the back, the little pockets are kind of like they go this way, like so they kind of come up like this. And I don't believe they're just, yeah, they're just decorative. Those are not real pockets. They're kind of weird placement. We'll see how they look on the bum. But yeah, that's nice. That would even look nice with like a sweater like I have on right now. So those are our 5 pieces, and what I'll do is I'll try everything on. I'm doing it outside because Robert's inside and he's watching a show, and I've got lots and lots of stuff to video. It's actually kind of chilly out here to the point where I feel like I need more than just this sweater. So, and I've got to get some stuff in my garden done today too. So I'm going to go ahead and try everything on, and I will be right back. Okay, I have the little leopard top on. It feels a little tight right in here on both arms. It looks okay on, but it does feel a little tight. And then I have the skirt, which does have pockets in it, and then it's got the, I don't know how well that's going to show, but it has the scallops at the bottom. And I did just pair it with a little pair of the black flats, so the little black snakeskin flats that I got in my recent Just Fab order of shoes. So unfortunately I don't think I can get my whole self in the frame here for you to look, but this should give you guys a little bit of an idea. I might be able to put you guys up a little bit taller, and maybe I can get my face in here. Let's see. It doesn't want to work. Let's try this. Maybe. Here we go. So yeah, so this is a nice outfit. I'm not sure, still not sure about the top. I do really like the color of this. I think this is a really nice fall color. And the skirt's very comfortable. I do have several other black skirts though. I don't know that I need this, but I will say I like the skirt. It fits really nice. I guess this is just going to depend on both of these pieces, what I end up doing and with the other pieces. If I love everything, it makes sense to keep it all, or if I'm picking and choosing pieces, then I'm just going to get what I love. But I do think both of these are nice fall items. So great little staples for your wardrobe. All right, we'll be right back with the next one. Okay, I don't like the top with the skirt, but I might like this top with a pair of just jeans. But here it is. Little tags aggravate me in the back. Here it is just with the skirt because it didn't match the plaid pants. So here it is. It's got the tabs. These are kind of nicer tabs. I don't know if you can see them. They're still gonna kind of lay down and not fold up. They're just sort of gonna hang, but they're not gonna come undone, which is nice. The back is longer, and I for sure can see these with a pair of jeans. I think that would be a nice kind of like casual thing. It's just that's not my normal go-to is a blouse with jeans. And if I do a blouse, usually it's like a shell blouse with a cardigan if I'm gonna wear it with jeans. So I'm not sure I would grab for this piece, but I think this is well made. It does have, it's sewn right here, which is really nice. So overall, I do like this piece. It's just probably not a Terri item. All right, so next up we're going to try on the pants and the, whatchamacallit, the burgundy top next. Okay, sorry about all the cars. I do have the little crew neck. I have a couple sweaters in this color. I don't think I need this. It's nice though. If you're looking for a lightweight sweater that isn't real bulky, this would also be one you could wear a vest or a cardigan over or a blazer and just kind of add a little oomph to it. The pants, however, I do like. They're different for me. They are a beautiful plaid with the blue in it. I kind of like it. Hopefully you guys can see the way that the little hemline is on there. I'm going to turn around and show you from all angles. I might keep these pants. Honestly, out of everything that I've gotten, I think I like the pants the best. And it's hard to find a good pair of fitting like dress pants for me that are not too long and that fit really good everywhere. So I might keep these. The last couple of pairs of tribal pants that I've kept and I still have them. I've got ones from a couple years ago. They're great quality, and they were about 58 bucks. I didn't look at the prices yet, but that's what I'm guessing these are. So these might be a maybe, but let's do that. Let's go over prices next. Okay, let's go over the prices. So the pants, the tribal pants that I liked, these are $58, which is what I thought. They're actually the most expensive item in here, so she actually didn't do too bad with prices. These are a maybe for me. These are really the piece that I really like. Now, not all of this stuff worked. All of it's nice. I just am not sure that I need to have it. For instance, I do really like the skirt. I think some of you would really like this skirt, but I'm pretty sure I have 2 or 3 black pencil skirts already. I know I have one that is a faux leather, and then I have a regular one, and I also just don't think I need 3 black skirts, because I personally don't wear a lot of skirts. If anything, I wear more dresses than skirts. So, but let's talk about the skirt and see how much it is. Okay, Skies Are Blue Bernice scallop hem skirt, 48 bucks. So it's a nice skirt if somebody's looking for a good black skirt, and it has pockets, so it's kind of a win. All right, next up, I got the Markle crew neck pullover by the brand Absolutely. It says dark purple. This is 38 bucks. Again, a great sweater for fall. Love the color. I've got to pull my winter stuff out yet, and I'm pretty sure I have a couple in burgundy, so I'm not sure like this is the one I would want to replace. So what I do now, because I have so much clothing, is if I was going to keep this, I have to get rid of something else in my closet, and I try to find something that's like a light color that maybe it's 2 or 3 years old. It's kind of got its wear out of it, and I would replace it with a new one of the same color, but maybe a different style, or maybe one I like better. Sorry, there's the race car drivers in our neighborhood again. All right, so let's talk next about the leopard print. This was a little tight in like the arm area, so this one's going back for sure. This is the more race car driving. Oh, that's funny. That was actually a tow truck towing a car. There's like 6,000 cars going by. That's a truck. Okay, so this is by Lush. This was the worn split neck blouse in light green. This was $44. I actually thought this looked really nice with the skirt. I thought it was a good look, but it didn't fit me really well. It was a little uncomfortable, and I don't want to wear things that are tight or uncomfortable. And then the last one is just really not my style, but again, it looked great. So this one is the West Key Allen Surplice roll tab top in blue, and it was 42 bucks. So all of these worked. They were a good fit. I would wear them. I have a couple like light blue sweaters and white sweaters that I think would look really nice, or gray with these pants. I could think of a few outfits I could wear with it. So I do think I'm gonna get the pants out of everything. So my total will be $58 for this box, which is not bad. I added something to my wardrobe I don't have. It is a fall fashion trend. You're gonna see the plaid coming back, especially in blazers, and I don't have a lot of it, and I like this print, so I think I'm gonna get this. I will have my link below if you guys haven't tried Stitch Fix and you would like to. It's a wonderful experience. I've been doing it a couple years now, 2 or 3 years. I really love getting Stitch Fix. I love the box. There's excitement every day when you come up home and your box is sitting there, and the presentation is wonderful. You can keep your stylist, or you can choose a new stylist. I think she did okay. I think I'll keep her again and try her next time. And if you use my link, you'll get $25 credit towards your first box, and so will I. So, and sometimes they have sales and specials as we get closer to fall or into winter. We might have more credit coming, so keep your eyes open for that. But if you want to get a fall box now so you can start your fall clothing wardrobe, then you can use the link and get the $25 credit today. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. I hope you guys subscribe for more fun, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Bye, guys.